How to fix iPhone flickering screen issue after update. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial and open settings on your device first. Scroll down and tap on the accessibility option and now on display and text size. Scroll again and you will see an option for reduce white point. Make sure the toggle button for reduce white point is off. Go back to settings and now go to general and then on software update and make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS. Go back and in general again you will see the option for transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on that and then tap on reset and then on reset all settings. Enter your passcode and reset all settings. And if your iPhone screen is still flickering, restart your device. To restart, press the volume up button and the power button together. Wait for a few minutes and restart your device again. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.